More than 24 million Americans suffer from addiction. Untreated, addiction claims more lives than cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and strokes combined. Yet only 1 in 12 people seek help. If your life is affected by addiction, let ARP be a part of your solution.
I had lost my job and was despondent, and I turned to alcohol. Going in for treatment was nothing like I thought it would be. I didn't feel bad or ashamed.
They showed me a different way to cope.
A lot of the staff are recovering addicts, and to see them on the other side gave me hope.
I came to ARP for treatment 19 years ago, and now I'm a manager here.
We're from different walks of life, but we found out we had a lot in common. It helped my son to realize the things he was doing weren't in line with what he wants for his life.
We see people making changes they never thought possible. It's so rewarding to be part of something we believe in.
We embrace clients right where they are in the present moment.
I felt that for some reason they were glad I was here. Glad I was alive and I don't feel alone anymore.
If your life is affected by addiction, let ARP be a part of your solution.
Find out how we can help you now. You're just one step away from a better life.